Hello everybody, this is Anita White with Love Your Art, and we're back again with another video. Yes, we're going to be doing another Dutch pour, and we have a 12 by 24 inch canvas to start with. But before we begin, I'd just like to say thank you so much to all of our new subscribers. We are really appreciating you for joining us. We want you to be a part of this amazing art journey with us, and we thank you so much for subscribing. And to those of you who've been with us for a while now, we always welcome your continued faithful viewership. So let's get going. We have a, like I said, 12 by 24 inch canvas. We already have laid down a foundation color, which is this really pretty little baby blue like color. And I was able to accomplish that by putting together the Blickrylic titanium white along with the Loft Flow Blue, and made one part titanium white, one part the Loft Flow Blue with 2 parts of Floetrol and a little water added to get to that wonderful composition and color. We're popping our air bubbles now, and we are going to introduce our colors to this canvas. We want to make sure we have a nice flawless foundation to begin with. So let's get started. What do we have joining us? Well, we have the Amsterdam Prussian Blue joining us today, along with the Loft Metallic Blue. We have the Loft Brilliant Blue, Pebeo Studio Blue Vert Iridescent. We also have the Liquitex Basics Ultramarine Blue. This is the Loft Metallic White, and we have Amsterdam Turquoise Blue, as well as the Folk Art Metallic Blue Sapphire. So we have all these blues that we're going to be using today, and we want to try to capture them in a way that allows our canvas to have negative space on top and bottom. So let's begin with this Prussian Blue. We're going to take it here, and we're going to do an extension there, and let's do one here. We'll do an extension here and one here. Okay, and we'll follow this design with the other layering colors. It's going to be interesting to see how well these blues come together on top of a light baby blue. I'm excited to see what happens as we pull together a lot of rich color, metallics with iridescence, and let's see, we've got all blues and one white. This is the Ultramarine Blue. Now we have our white coming through. Turquoise is up next. And we have our Folk Art Metallic Sapphire. And we like to wrap back around with one of our initial colors, and I'm using the Prussian Blue. Okay, we are going to see where this takes us, because we've got quite a bit of color here, and we just want to make sure that we come up with a nice flow in our design. So it's always a decision to make in terms of where to begin, but we'll start with popping air bubbles first. And I'm seeking to get some flow both on top and bottom, again with negative space, so I need to really pull my thoughts together in terms of which way to go here. How about we start here and we'll move out this way and that way and back this way and that way and see how that works. Yeah, that is nice. Oh yeah, you've got white cells throughout. Oh, I'm loving this. Yes, it definitely has character. The movement, I love looking for movement, and I love looking for just the coming together of the colors and the clustering of the colors, the real merging of the colors to make for interesting piece. And I'm seeing that here, here, over in here, all in here, just throughout. A few air bubbles to pop. We'll take care of those really quick. Rich white cells in between, not overly loaded with cells, but definitely seeing what the metallics and the iridescents have done together. Amazing. Just amazing. Yep, I'm going to stand on this side, take a look. Yep, indeed. I could blow this out a little bit more to add to, it's kind of that fade in a little bit from the base color, but it really does actually match on this side. There's a little bit of color there. Torch here just to get air bubbles out. I don't think I'm going to mess with it. I think I'm going to leave it just like it is, and we will bring you in for a close-up because I am loving this. I am loving this, yeah. Whew, nice. Okay, here's a close-up. Okay, everyone, here we are. We have a close-up. Are you ready for this? I hope so. Look at the beautiful cells we have here that have formed, along with the nice shimmer. You'll see it in just a moment, coming through right over that iridescent, some metallic blue there, right in this area here. Let's see if we can get it pointed out to you. I'm touching this here in this area, right there. Oh, this is so, look at the rich cells here. They form really, really nicely. There's white and there's blue metallic ones, and they are pushed into that metallic blue and the, I think that's the ultramarine, yeah. Look at the side here. We'll move on over and you can see here more of that right in here. Richness, the shimmer and shine on top of that from the metallic. Really nice composition. That Prussian Blue is outlined here, right in that area, as well as here. You can see it forming nice white cells around it. And over on this side, oh my heavens, look at this. That's nice, rich metallic blue with the lacing in there, creating that nice white milkiness. There's Iridescent from the Pebeo Studio Iridescent there. It's got a nice shimmer on top. So I think that the dark blues on top of the lighter blue really has made for a statement in itself. I like this a lot, and I think you can see why. Hopefully you can get a chance to give me your feedback as well. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. We want to keep you informed on each and every one of our videos. This one is amazing. I'm really pleased with the blue on top of blues, with just a touch of white to make it have some accent. Anyway, here you have it, 12 by 24 inch canvas with the Dutch pour, and please go ahead and let us know what you think. And give us your feedback so that we can know how to best serve you. Until next time, keep loving your art, have a nice day, be safe, and we'll see you guys all on the next video upload. Bye now.